Hi there. Today we are going to talk about GDPR, or more precisely, how to make a form on your Joomla website compatible with the GDPR requirements. In short, GDPR is all about collecting and storing the personal data of the form submitter. According to the requirements of the GDPR, the user must consent to the use of his data. So in this tutorial, we'll explore how to create a GDPR-compliant form. Well, first of all, you should know that you cannot use third-party services such as Google Fonts, Google reCaptcha, Google Maps, and autocomplete address field and form. These services collect user data. To disable Google Fonts and Form, open Design Settings and change Font Family to Inherit. In this case, the font will inherit from your template. Usually in template settings, you can upload and use local font files and web-safe fonts. Regarding the form protection, as an alternative to Google reCaptcha in Balbooa forms, you can use hCaptcha, which is GDPR compliant. How to integrate hCaptcha, you can find in the description below. Further, according to the requirements of the GDPR, the user must consent to the storage and use of his personal data. For that, you can use the field acceptance. Text can be replaced to your one. You can add multiple acceptance fields to form. And most important, the form wouldn't be submitted without user consent. It's required fields. And the last one, by GDPR requirements, the user can ask to delete all his data. For that, in forms, you can move to submissions, using search, find all user submissions by his email and delete submissions. Also, we want to note that in forms you can disable storing data in your site database. For that, open Submit button Settings, navigate to Advanced Settings and disable Save Data to Database. So, in just a few minutes, we have explored how to make forms on your Joomla site GDPR compliant. It's quite easy. Enjoy!